Aussie dollar quite possibly overbought. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by X&S, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Australian dollar is extremely overbought on the daily chart at this point in time, and it's likely that we could see the trading public pay close attention to the FOMC meeting minutes later in the day, as it gives us a bit of a heads up as to what FOMC members have been talking about at Federal Reserve meetings. It's not so much concern about whether or not they'll cut at the next meeting. I think that's pretty much baked in to the price. The question, of course, is, are people getting a little over excited about the idea of rate cuts? How many they're going to be in at what size? I'm starting to hear some people talk about 75 basis points, which is absolutely ridiculous and would be a sign of panic, not strength. So at this point in time, I suspect a pullback is probably more likely than not, with the 0.6650 level offering support. Above, though, we have the 0.6850 level offering potential resistance, and that would be your ceiling in the market from everything I see. The stochastic oscillator is in the overbought condition by a pretty wide margin and is getting ready to cross again. So I think at this point it wouldn't take a whole lot of imagination to assume that a significant amount of the buyers would be willing to step in and take a bit of profit. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.